Well, you know, the Affordable Care Act is not performed anywhere near what it's supposed to. When they had the mandates, that was unconstitutional. They took them away. The cost has skyrocketed. People can't have the doctors that they want. And, you know, Jared's plan for Medicare for All is going to close down 19 rural hospitals in Maine. People are going to have to travel from Fort Kent to Bangor, from Bangor all over the state to Portland just to get help. It's going to cost $32 trillion for Medicare for All. Government-run healthcare is going to be, the healthcare system is going to be the worst quality you can have if we go down that road.
Thank you. I see the surveys. Healthcare is one of the most important topics people are talking about every day. I want to give you another 30 seconds, Congressman Golden.
Well, we've already settled this debate. I've already had a conversation with my constituents about where I stand when it comes to that legislation that Dale is talking about. I don't support banning private insurance, therefore I'm not going to vote for legislation such as that. Let's look at the voting records. In the last 2 years, I voted 6 times to make improvements to the Affordable Care Act, because Dale's right. In some ways, it's faced a lot of obstruction and it hasn't worked the way that it should for working middle-class families. We can fix that. We can do things like increase the payouts from the federal government to bring premiums down. For those who are sitting around 250 to 400% of the federal poverty level, we can do more to make this law work for you and your families.
Mr. Crafts, you have 30 more seconds on health care.
Listen, it's a very difficult situation, no question, when it comes to health care. It's very difficult. You've seen on both sides of the aisle, they've struggled many, many years, and they need to sit down, put their differences aside, and come up and help the American people to have affordable health care. There's no question there. We need health care, but I believe in America, if you give it time, we will come up with a solution, and it'll be the best in the world like it has in the past, and it continue to be. Our health care can be the best in the world if we just come together and put our differences aside and find a way for the American people.